Send me that bag. Send me that bag. Send me that bag. Come on, send me that bag.
No.
Let me take this one.
Hello? Yes, I'm rushing. I'm almost there for the meeting. Don't worry. I'm going to be there in a few minutes. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'm on my way. Hello? Yes, I've just reached. I'm coming. Just hold on for me there. Let me count. Let me just get my things here. Say, where are you taking my key? See, well, this money is for my wife. I don't mind. I'm giving you. Come on, give me money. No.
Give me the whole money. Yeah. You have the wallet?
I don't have a wallet.
Let me check you. Let me check and see. Oh, you have a phone.
So it's my phone.
This is no longer your phone now.
So it's my phone.
No longer your phone.
So who are you?
Sit. You are asking me who I am.
What's the problem?
Man, I need money.
So please, I'm an innocent man.
I need money, man.
I'm a husband and a half father.
Hurry, come on, hurry.
So I bought this watch from the US. It's expensive.
I've never gone to the US, so I'll get this.
Why are you gonna chase now?
What's
the problem?
Life or money?
You
Life or money?
Use that. Sebo, I'm giving you the money. Sebo.
Hurry, man. I have no.
Sebo, here's my laptop. Sebo, now wait. GDK.
Wait.
No, Sebo, no.
This is bag.
It's for my wife. Sebo.
Wife, where is your wife? You leave your wife at office and you come.
Aya.
Don't follow me.
Police.
Man, I'll beat you. Get back.
Police.
Get back. Sit there. Get.
Sebo. I don't know. I'm lost now. My laptop, my phone, my money. I just made 500,000. As you can just see, I've been robbed, but this was just a small clip to show you that robberies in Uganda are real. In Uganda we have what's called chifesi, and chifesi is our local term to mean robbers or highway robbers. People who can steal your cars, who can steal your money, who can steal even your belt and your shoes. But in Uganda there are certain laws. Many of you may not be aware of the laws and what things the courts take into consideration when taking this felon seriously. First of all, many of you may not know the difference between a felony and a misdemeanor. A felony is a crime which is classified under the highest form of criminal activity, meaning a felony is a very aggravated crime. It's a crime that is going to take you many years in jail once you've been found guilty of this. A misdemeanor is a lesser crime. This can range from disobeying traffic rules, can range from doing extremely other things which are lesser than a felony or lesser than a crime. But what you've just witnessed here, I want us to go back to how the video really played out. When I was opening the boot and you saw the other gentleman coming, who was a chifesi man, he came and began threatening me with a lot of violence and a weapon. Already a victim is in a state of dismay, they're in a state of fear and disorientation. So already when the courts of law or a judge are trying to classify what crime this is, they'll look at either theft, robbery or aggravated robbery. If they're seeing that this robber tried to use a lot of violence on this person, use threats, then it's going to amount to aggravated robbery. You can also see that he was still trying to threaten this person who is me to get all of my belongings, all of my phone, my wallet, my this. All of those still are ingredients which are enshrined in the offense of robbery. And finally, this was actual bodily harm which was delivered to him because of the slapping, the beating, doing this, come shouting at you. All of that is enshrined under robbery. Robbery is clearly defined under section 286 of the Penal Code Act. Actually it's 285. 286 gives us the crime and also gives us the punishment. 286 tells us that under Magistrates Court, it also goes hand in hand with the Trial and Indictment Act and the Magistrates Courts Act. Aggravated robbery will give you about 10 years under the Magistrates Courts Act. However, under the High Court, once they find you liable, you the person who was attacked, aka this gentleman who came and attacked me, that Chifesi man, then you are liable for life imprisonment. If you're indicted or if you're taken to the High Court and your case goes up to there, the High Court Criminal Division, then under section 285 and 286 you're found liable for aggravated robbery. But many of you may be laughing at how I was being treated here, but many Ugandans are being treated under this same exact situation. Many of them may not even have the luxury of being put back into their cars. They can just get an iron bar and hit you and they take everything of yours. Still, that will be under section 285 and 286 of the Penal Code Act. Lastly, this is something most of you criminals have to be aware of. Under subsection 2 of 285, if under threatening someone, or once you're threatening someone and using a deadly weapon, like you saw him using a knife, once you stab me or once you stab your victim and they die, then you're liable to a death sentence, unfortunately, because they have to even surpassed aggravated robbery. So the biggest solution are remedies. The remedies is compensation from the accused person. Once he has been taken to jail, the judge can also ask him to pay for all the belongings which were taken. For example, you saw that my belongings were a bag, a phone, money, which was about 500,000. So they can ask the accused or his family to pay that same exact money. Another remedy can be to also compensate the family, or most cases the remedies are given under the laws of Uganda or under case law. The judge can see it fit to give certain remedies according to the circumstances of the case, because sometimes remedies are not clear-cut. So thank you so much for joining me in this dangerous but funny clip. For those of you who are new to my channel, feel free to hit me in the subscribe button, feel free to hit me in the comment section and tell me about any future videos you want me to do, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Simply Legal out. Manangi, this person they are robbing. Is the knife even real?
It's real. Where I'm attacking you,
Just laughing.
What?
Must try stabbing me and we see. Okay, catch you later guys. See you next time. Thank you.